today I'm making a chewing tobacco pouch. I don't use it myself, but I know a few people that do. So I've soaked some 3-ounce veg tan leather in water for about 15 minutes. Get it all soggy, pliable, and stretched it out over a can of chewing tobacco. Staple around the edges. You gotta use stainless steel staples or rust in the leather and you'll have stains in it. Okay, so then you let that dry. Then you'll have something that looks like this. Then you cut it just past the halfway mark, so that when you push your can of chewing tobacco into it, it snaps in. The curvature just starts to go back just a little bit towards the top, so your can will snap right in there. Then I'm going to cut a piece of leather out, this shape here. This is the back of it. This will get sewn onto here, trimmed, and you'll end up with something that looks like this. Glued this piece to that piece. So then I'm going to punch holes all the way around. Stitch that. So I've stitched and dyed several of them, and I'm ready to put snaps on. I saved you from all that tedious work. We've got 6 new items to put in my store. So check out my next video. It's going to be at the North Carolina Raptor Center.